All together, y'all. This is Hood Pencil Pusher here, and I'm back again with a millionaire tip. But hold on 1 second if you want to sit there and get it right. Now, check this out. This one is another very important tip. What number am I on? I'm on number 7. How you gonna keep track of that? You're gonna keep track of that by going down there and making sure that you like and subscribe, so you can always get the tips, you can get the how-to videos, you can get everything you need financially free right here on the Hood Pencil Pusher Financial Literacy Resource Institution channel of Black Literacy. Now, let's jump right into it. Millionaire tip number 7. Take the tutorial of your business tools or that you use, because let me tell you something, these tools are a lot more complicated than you think. I done bought tools and didn't even know how to use the tool for 3 months because I didn't want to watch the tutorial. Then I ended up watching the tutorial, then I knew how to use the tool. I know, right? It sounds it sounds completely ridiculous to actually buy something and not know how to use it, but you'll be surprised when you start a business, when you're running a business, when you're trying to automate, when you're building a funnel, when you finding CRMs, when you're doing all of these things. You will buy stuff just because you've seen somebody else use it and you know that you need it, and you only need one capability of it, when really this one thing has many functionalities to it that can make your business run more smoother. So millionaire tip number 7 is watch the tutorial of all your tools and everything that you do. It'll save you a lot of time, save you a lot of effort, and it definitely will make you some money altogether, y'all.